Do you want to challenge your English, understand your English level, and learn from your mistakes? Let's go! Hello, my name is Maddie from POC English, and in this lesson, I'm going to test your English. I have 10 questions for you, and this test is an A1, A2 level test. By the end of this test, you will understand if your level is A1, A2 or higher. So if you are a beginner level student, watch this lesson and take the test. If you are intermediate or advanced, take the test and challenge yourself. I have 10 questions for you. 5 questions for A1 level, 5 for A2 level. After each question, you can pause the video and think about your answer. Then, I will give you the correct answer, and more importantly, I will explain why that answer is correct. So, you test and you learn. Let's start the test. The first 5 questions are A1 level. Let's start with question 1. Where you come from? Where do you come from? Where are you come from? Where have you come from? Where do you come from? That was easy, right? But believe me, this is one of the most common mistakes students make. To ask about somebody's nationality, you can use these 2 questions. Where do you come from? Where are you from? But students usually mix the 2 and say, where are you come from? Or where do you from? No. So, where do you come from? Where are you from? Let me know in the comments. And let's go to question 2. My class starts 5 o'clock. In 5 o'clock, at 5 o'clock, or on 5 o'clock. Excellent! At 5 o'clock. For time, we use at. I'm seeing my friend at 6 today. I wake up at 7 every morning. The class begins at 5. Cool, right? Let's go to question 3. Do you like it? Yes, I like. Yes, I do. Yes, I am. Very good. Yes, I do. But why? Here's a rule. If your question begins with do, answer with do. Do you like this lesson? Yes, I do. Do you like chocolate? Yes, I do. Do you like tea? No, I don't. If your question begins with am is are, answer with am is are. Are you tired? No, I'm not. Is he your friend? Yes, he is. Is it a nice lesson? Yes, it is. So, do you like it? Yes, I do. And now, question 4. I went there foot. I went there with foot, by foot, or on foot. Excellent! On foot. You go somewhere by bus, by car, by train, by bicycle, or on foot. When you go somewhere on foot, it means you walk there. So the correct preposition is on. I usually go to school on foot. And now question 5, the last question of the A1 level. He doesn't work hard enough, or he doesn't work enough hard. Excellent! He doesn't work hard enough. But why? There are 3 different uses of the word enough. You can use it after an adjective. The coffee is not strong enough. You can use it before a noun. We don't have enough coffee to drink. Or after a verb. I don't work enough. I don't study enough. Do you study enough? He doesn't work enough. Very good. And that's it. Great job. Let's go to question 6, which is the first question of the A2 level. Let's see if you can answer these 5 questions. She studying for her exams. She is always studying or she always is studying. Very good. She is always studying. Now, always is an adverb of frequency, right? Adverbs of frequency go before a verb. For example, I always get up at 6. Get up is my verb. Always goes before the verb. I always get up. However, if your verb is a to be verb, or if you have am, is, are, was, were in a sentence, your adverb of frequency goes after the to be verb. She is always studying hard. So, I always study hard. I'm always studying hard. Before the main verb, after the to be verb. And now, question 7. Spoke to yesterday. He, her, him, she, or he, she. He spoke to her yesterday. Very good, but why? In English, there are 2 types of pronouns. What is a pronoun? A pronoun is a word that substitutes a noun. For example, instead of saying Maddie, we say he. Instead of saying Lucy, we say she. He and she are pronouns. Him and her are also pronouns. But I, you, he, she, we, they, these are called subject pronouns. They replace the subject of a sentence. And me, you, him, her, us, and them, these are called object pronouns. They replace the object of a sentence. But wait, what is subject? What is object? Let me give you a very easy rule. If your noun is before the verb, it's a subject. So use a subject pronoun. I, you, he, she, it, we, they. If your noun is after the verb, it's an object. So use an object pronoun. Me, you, him, her, it, them, us. Now look at this sentence. Which one is the verb? Spoke. Now, the first gap, which is before spoke, is a subject pronoun. So it should be I, you, he, she, right? The second gap is after spoke. So it's an object pronoun. It should be me, you, him, her. And the correct answer is he spoke to her yesterday. Very good. Let's go to question 8. I'm not this film. I'm not liking this film. I'm not enjoying this film. Which one? Excellent. I'm not enjoying it. But why? Why not liking it? Well, this sentence is present continuous, which means right now. Right now, I'm teaching English. Right now, you are listening to me. Right now, you are watching this video. These are present continuous, which means actions that are taking place right now. Now, in present continuous, the verb has an ing form. Playing, going, watching, sitting, teaching. So in this case, I can say liking and enjoying. But why enjoying and why not liking? Because like is a non-action verb. What is a non-action verb? In general, in English, verbs are of 2 kinds, either action or non-action. Action verbs are verbs that have a physical action. For example, walk, talk. When you walk, you are physically moving. When you talk, you are physically doing something. However, non-action verbs do not have a physical form. For example, like. If I like you, do I do anything physically? Look at me. I like you. Am I doing anything? No. If I love you, do I do anything physically? I love you. No. If I hit you in the face, do I do anything physically? Yes. So hitting is action. But liking or loving, these are non-action. And non-action verbs in English do not take ing. You cannot say I am liking. You should say I like. Therefore, in this sentence, you cannot say I'm not liking. No, because like is a non-action verb. You can say I like enjoying, because enjoy is an action verb. Let's go to question 9. I'm tired, so I need to go. I need to go to home. I need to go home. I need to go at home. Excellent! I need to go home. But why? The preposition of go is always to. Go to the cinema. Go to the theater. Go to the cafe. Go to the restaurant. Go to the church. Go to the mosque. However, there is one exception. We say go to any place, but we do not say go to home. For home, we don't use any prepositions. Go home, that's it. Excellent job, guys. Let's see if you can answer this last question. Question 10. She as a doctor. She is as a doctor. She works as a doctor. Excellent! She works as a doctor. But why? To talk about somebody's job, we either use a to be verb plus job. I am a teacher. You are a student. She is a doctor. Or we say work as plus job. I work as a teacher. You work as a chef. She works as a nurse. So the answer to question 10 is she works as a doctor. How many correct answers do you have? If you have fewer than 8 correct answers, then your level is A1, A2. You are a beginner English student. However, if you have 8, 9, or 10 correct answers, your level is higher than beginner. But is it intermediate or advanced? We don't know yet, but in the next video, we're going to see together. I hope you've enjoyed this lesson. My next video is going to be a test for B1, B2 students, so stay tuned. See ya!